are here today celebrating 6 years of a lot of hard work and an adventurous journey, an opening of the AC Hotel in Old Town Scottsdale.
At this location, previously there was an economy scale Howard Johnson hotel that no longer fit the market.
This amazing company, PEG, came forward with a really good proposal, but we're Scottsdale and we got a lot of pressure, so we had to negotiate. And I will tell you that you all delivered well above what we thought we could get.
The design of this hotel used innovative construction methods. We have a 2-story underground parking structure with infinity structural steel system, which allowed us to complete the vertical construction ahead of schedule. Also allowed us to put the rooftop pool and bar up there, which otherwise in this size of a structure would have been a lot more challenging.
Where you really are in the center of all the activity between the fashion district, the entertainment district, historical town.
It's got that European inspiration. It's coming from a brand that was developed in Spain, so you see a lot of those influences here, not just through the elements that you see in the guest rooms, but through the culinary offerings we offer in the AC Lounge. This team is ecstatic.
We have frequent communication with them. We are on top of what their decisions are, strategies that they need to take. They would check in with us constantly to understand if they're pricing the units right. So it continues to be a very collaborative process.
We have an awesome product and we're excited for the future. So we're excited for where the returns come and being able to drive revenue and deliver a great experience for all of our guests.
The property is beautiful. This is exactly what Old Town needs, the energy, the vibe, and we are blessed to have you.